Welcome, Snack Attackers. My name is Jason, and I have another potentially fantastic product to review for you guys today. Oh, whoops. Products. Plural. I have 2 products. But first, I want to remind you to like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, all the fun YouTube stuff. Well, if you've been paying attention to the recent videos, you know I've been trying these new Hershey's dessert puddingy things. These are 2 more, and I decided to lump these together for a couple reasons. One, schedule-wise, you guys know we haven't had a kind of behind-the-scenes look at Snack Attackers and scheduling for a long time because we haven't really needed to. But I've got a lot of products lately, and I only drop a video a day, and I'm kind of behind in certain seasonal ones. Like, I've got the only Valentine's Day stuff that I haven't already reviewed yet is the new Sour Patch Lollipops with dipping powder, and I'm looking at my schedule, and I feel like I'm going to end up releasing it after Valentine's Day. So I'm trying to kind of catch up in a way. So instead of having these on 2 different videos, I'm going to have these in a contrasting, similar, like just in one video. I'm going to review both of these. This is the first Twisted that we've had on the show, and I can reveal to you that Twisted is crumbles, whereas chopped is like mini versions of it. I don't have any chopped ones though. So this one I actually had, and this one I went out and got. Why did I go out and get the layered? Because I don't think I've ever had peanut butter flavored pudding. So I was really interested. I wanted to try this. These were both purchased at Mariano's for $2.99. I'm excited cautiously. I'm cautiously excited. This one, the pudding is just vanilla, which I think is a huge missed opportunity to have made it either chocolate or peanut butter because there's no vanilla flavoring in Reese's. So that was weird to me. They're still in these cool little troughs. Open up the layered. Just smells like chocolate pudding. Oh, with actually a little bit of Reese's. These ones stuck together a lot better. The other ones I purchased while I was in visiting my parents, and so they were in a refrigerated bag the whole time for like 5 hours. Maybe that affected their integrity. Just vanilla pudding. Kind of smells a little off, to be honest. I'm not going to try the pudding on its own because that's kind of not really the point of the product. Oh, that they've kind of this kind of clumped together. Oh, forgot to turn my phone on silent. Whoops. I'm gonna go for the Twisted first, because we haven't had Twisted in the show yet. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Snack attack. Well, I hate that. The pudding's awful. So, we didn't discuss this before, but I said I like the chocolate vanilla pudding. I don't like vanilla pudding. Something about vanilla pudding, I like vanilla ice cream, I like vanilla. Something about vanilla pudding just tastes off to me. And this is no exception. I do not like that. Alright, the layered, which now I've got higher hopes for. Gotta have high hopes. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Snack attack. I don't think Oh, the peanut flavor is truly vile. That doesn't taste like a Reese's at all. The peanut butter tastes entirely different. It contains milk, peanut, and soy, and it tastes like soy milk. It's so weird. Oh. These are the worst ones yet, and I really thought York was going to be my least favorite because I hate York. But, like, This is so much worse. Both of these are going to get a snack attack pass. That's double fisting. Pass. Both of them are going to get a 2 out of 10. And both of them are going to be, disappointments in my life. As are many things in my life. But these are very disappointing. At least, like, the Rolos one didn't taste like Rolos, but it tasted like normal caramel and normal chocolate pudding. The York ones tasted exactly like York peppermint patty. Oh, did I put these in the wrong? No, I didn't. It tastes exactly like York peppermint patty, but I didn't like that. These do not taste like Reese's at all. Both with the insane concept of choosing a base flavor for your pudding dessert that isn't in the candy. They did this with Kit Kat too, and that one I can maybe see because wafers are usually vanilla-y. I didn't buy the Kit Kat ones, I didn't buy the Hershey's ones, and I didn't buy the Hershey's cookies and cream one. I'm not going to. Guys, do you want a million videos on this product? I don't. I feel like I've got too many videos on this product, and I still have one more flavor of something. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I think I'm done.
Bulbasaur.
I have no clue what you could have possibly even said, to be totally honest. These are awful. Did I give them a rating? These are 1.5 out of 10. Truly vile. Like, really, really bad. They are both 1.5 out of 10. That's the first 1.5 we've ever had. What an honor it is, Reese's. God, you're so terrible. For me, Reese's just keeps missing the mark recently. Mallow Top, this Colliders, and I know that Reese's is Hershey's, so I could say Hershey's is missing the mark, but Hershey's doesn't always miss the mark, but with Reese's, they've been floundering, I feel. They be fishy because they be floundering. The question we asked around here is not Reese's. Why Hershey's? I understand maybe with Kit Kat, and I understand maybe with cookies and cream choosing vanilla base. Why would you do that with Reese's when you already have for your layered a chocolate and peanut butter pudding at your disposal? Why wouldn't you use that? No, the question we asked around here is, would you buy it again? The answer is quite obviously no. Not in a million years would I ever even contemplate getting these again. But remember, check Instagram, Twitter, all the fun social media stuff. And I am so glad to be free of these Hershey's desserts. I'll see you in the next one.